Most people are using AI completely wrong. They're wasting time instead of actually saving it. Here's what you should be doing instead. The first mistake is using ChatGPT with very basic prompts. Most people type one short sentence and expect perfect results. That's not how it works. To get better results, you need to be more specific and give proper instructions. Instead, treat ChatGPT like an assistant. Give it clear instructions, context, and exactly what you want. For example, instead of a short prompt, describe the task in detail and mention the format you expect. This alone can completely change the quality of the results. The second mistake is trying to use too many AI tools at once. People keep switching between different platforms, hoping to find the perfect one. But this usually leads to confusion and wasted time. Instead of improving, they end up slowing themselves down. Instead, focus on mastering a few tools that actually fit your needs. Once you understand how to use them properly, you'll get much better results. It's not about using more tools, it's about using the right ones effectively. The third mistake is not using AI consistently. A lot of people try it once or twice and then stop using it. But the real value comes from using it regularly and making it part of your workflow. Without consistency, you won't see real results. To actually benefit from AI, you need to use it consistently and with intention. Start simple. Focus on a few tools and apply them to your daily work. Over time, this is where you start saving real time and getting real results. If you want to learn how to use AI more effectively, consider subscribing.